Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on and turn off the iPhone SE 3rd generation phone. So you got yourself a new iPhone SE 3rd generation and you want to know how to turn it off and turn it on. So to do this, first locate the standby button which is on the right side of your iPhone. To power it on, simply hold and press the standby button for about 5 seconds. Once you see the Apple logo, release your press, the iPhone will start to boot up and it will show you the lock screen. Once you see the lock screen, that means it has successfully powered up. Unlock it using your Touch ID or PIN code. Now, if you want to turn it off, again, locate the standby button at the right hand side. Hold and press the standby button for about 5 seconds until your screen fades and shows you the power off screen. Now release your finger and using the screen slider, slide it to the right side to turn off your iPhone. The iPhone will then start to gracefully shut down all the services on your iPhone and then will power off. You'll know it is powered off as the screen will then turn black. And that is how to turn on and turn off the iPhone SE 3rd generation phone. If you have made it to the end of this video, then please hit the like button and most importantly, please consider subscribing to the channel for more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.